Hi everybody, this is Jennifer here. We are continuing our journey through the Premium Starter Kit video series, and today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on using that roller fitment that came in your starter kit. But first, I want to make sure that you actually found it in the secret compartment. So here is my Premium Starter Kit. I've already taken the 10 oils from the top, and then there was a cardboard piece, and if you lift that up, you have all of this goodness down here. So I'm going to be talking about the roller fitment that hangs out right in here, okay? So it's so cool that Young Living gives us one of those, and you can actually buy a pack of 10 from Young Living. You can just get that added to your Essential Rewards order, and I love putting rollers on my bottles of oils because it makes it so convenient just to roll that thieves on the bottoms of your feet, or maybe some pan away on the back of your neck for some stiffness. And then Stress Away is another really popular one that people love to put the roller on because guys and gals, they love to use that one during stressful times, or just putting it on as their perfume or cologne. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. All right, so you just take your cap here, and this will take off the little plastic piece that's on the top, okay? Then you just set your roller on top. Now you can't push it down. You have to actually use the special black cap that came with it, and that will push the roller down into the bottle, okay? So there, it's nice and tight in there. Now, if you want to take it off, again, you just use the cap and it pops right off. Super simple, right? And then you can reuse that. I know in the beginning, I was throwing all of my bottles away with my rollers because I didn't know how to take I was trying with pliers and everything, and I did not know how to take the roller ball off. So I wanted to be sure that you all know how to do that. And again, you can buy a pack of 10 from Young Living, and they work great, and you can just keep reusing them. Well, I hope all of that was helpful for you, and I'm super excited that you have gotten started with your Premium Starter Kit. You're never going to look back. If you're diving in and using your essential oils, it's the best thing ever. It really, really is. So I'm super excited for you. All right, you guys have an awesome day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.